Class 9th Geography Chapter Volcanoes. Let's begin with the chapter. Volcanicity is a process which involves the intrusion of magma in the Earth's crust or the extrusion of such molten material on the Earth's surface. This process gives rise to volcanic eruptions. What is a volcano? A volcano is a vent or opening in the crust of the earth, connected by a conduit to an underlying magma chamber from which molten lava, volcanic gases and steam are ejected. Types of volcanoes. The phenomena of volcanism can be divided into two types, intrusive type and extrusive type. Intrusive type of landform occurs when lava solidifies within the Earth's crust and gives rise to various shapes and forms like batholith, laccoliths, sills, dikes, lapoliths and faccoliths. Extrusive type of landform, the lava comes out of the Earth's crust and solidifies into magma in various shapes and forms like ash and cinder cones, lava dome, lava shields, composite and stratocones. Classification of volcanoes. Volcanoes may be classified into active volcanoes, extinct volcanoes and dormant volcanoes. Active volcanoes which constantly eject lava, gases, ashes, cinder, pumice are known as active volcanoes. There are several hundred active volcanoes in the world. Most of them are in the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Islands. Example, Mount St. Helens, USA, Stromboli and Etna in Mediterranean Sea. The Stromboli volcano emits so much fire that it has come to be known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean Sea. Dormant volcanoes. A volcano which, although not extinct, has not been known to erupt within historic time is known as dormant volcanoes. The Vesuvius volcano is one of the best examples of a dormant volcano which erupted first in 79 AD. It remained dormant for over 1500 years and then suddenly erupted with great force in 1631 AD. Extinct volcanoes, a volcano that erupted in the distant geological past and the remains of which occur in an area where there is no longer any active volcanicity is known as extinct volcano. Example, Arthur's Seat, Edinburgh, Scotland. A volcano which has been inactive for a larger period of time is extinct and it may be an example of a dormant volcano. World distribution of volcanoes. Volcanoes generally occur in the weaker zone of the earth crust and are characterized by young fold mountains. The following are the three belts of volcanic eruptions. The Circum-Pacific Belt, which is also called Ring of Fire. This is the most important belt of volcanoes and is called the Ring of Fire. It extends through the Andes of South America, Central America, Mexico, the mountains of Western USA, the Aleutian Islands, Japan and New Zealand. Mid-Atlantic Belt. This belt includes the volcanoes of Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Most of the volcanoes of this belt are of fissure eruption type. Example, St. Helena. Mid-Continental Belt. This belt includes the volcanoes of Alps Mountains, Mediterranean Sea. Examples, Stromboli, Vesuvius, Etna, etc. Effects of volcanic activity. Constructive effects of volcanic activities in favor of man. Sometimes lava activity is profitable to man because lava from plains are very fertile. Example, Deccan Plateau in India. All precious stones are found within volcanoes, for example, diamonds in South Africa and nickel deposits of Sudbury in Canada. Geysers and springs which are formed due to volcanic activity are very useful from health point of view. They contain sulfur and other useful minerals. The crater lakes serve as a great source of perennial rivers. Some volcanic spots are often areas of scenic beauty, hence of great tourist interest. Sometimes remnants of volcanoes after erosion help in preserving traces of old civilization. Destructive effects of volcanoes on man. Most of the latest volcanic areas are absolutely barren and inhabitable by man. Volcanic eruptions are disastrous, causing complete destruction. Tsunami or a tidal wave is produced as a result of volcanic eruption or earthquake. It can cause severe damage. Here ends this chapter.